spent a moment here trying to figure out how the fan clutch came off. Turns out it's quite easy. There's just four 10mm bolts holding it on. The tricky part is finding something that's deep enough to reach the bolts over the lip of the fan, but also not too tall that you can get it into that short space. Working with what I just had handy, I eventually came up with using a swivel socket and an extension and then locking it out at the joint so that I could crack open each bolt and then undo it with my fingers. A better solution might be to use a socket lever or an extra short socket or maybe even like a ultra low profile ratchet wrench. But hey, it came off anyway, and it really is as easy as removing those four 10mm bolts. That's it.
My wife is furious. I have a family of three, but it barely suits me. Spending much money, she says it's not funny. Everything's new, watch out, it could happen to you.